Hello friends, welcome to Plus Points 2. It's me Ashwin here with you. I am so excited to introduce my new YouTube channel Plus Points 2. So what will I discuss in this channel? Do you have any idea? If you have any idea, please comment in the comment section. Okay, without lagging we can go to the video. Before going to the video, if you are first time here, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications. Then only you will get the notifications when I upload my new videos. Okay, we can go to the video. How many of you use smartphones? What questions, right? Everybody use smartphones. From children to elders, everybody use smartphones nowadays. So guys, what happened on 29th June 2020, the previous Monday? Government of India banned 59 Chinese most popular applications. Why? Yes, you all know about this news. So we will talk about this. And do you know about why they are banned? Please comment in the comment section. I will tell what is the reason the government is saying. And we will see each of the apps one by one first. Okay, let's see the apps first. So all of you seen the banned applications, right? Why they are banned? Do you have any idea? Indian government saying like these applications are threat to national security and the supreme power of India. If that's so, it is very good decision they are banned. And we have a good news like we have so many Indian alternative applications can be replaced this banned application. So let's have a look at some of the alternatives we can use instead of those banned applications. we saw some alternative applications similar to the banned applications. So guys, I strongly recommend you all to use the Indian applications. Be safe from the cyber attacks. Our safety and our privacy are more important things. Thank you guys. That's all for today. If you like this video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notifications. Then only you will get my video notifications in the next time. Thank you.